Hello everybody, my name is Carmen Julián Muñoz Gironza and I'm going to present my speaking activity. Describing my neighborhood. I live in the village of De Céfiro, belonging to the municipality of Rosas Cauca, where we can find the main gas station of the municipality, two restaurants next to the Pan American Highway, some grocery stores, two mechanical workshops, a billiard, a sports center with games for children, a communal room, and three hotels. The advantage of living in my village is that it is close to the two main hills of the municipality, Broncalso and San Francisco. Also, is about 7 minutes from town. This is a really quiet and peaceful place. Describing my neighbors. My neighbors are very nice people. They are friendly and cordial, very respectful, united, and supportive. There is usually silence and tranquility, but the neighbor who lives in front of my house then very early in the morning puts music at full volume and never attends the calls of attention. But in general, my bed is very peaceful. Describing my job. I am an accountant assistant. For the moment, I am working in my older brother's cyber cafe. I must make documents such as letters, trades, contracts, consult tasks, and make different documents. I really like to work there because I can use my free time to do my homework at the university, although I often have interruptions. Describing my family. I like to spend time with my family. We are very close and we always really in good times and bad. We value our family a lot and although sometimes there are problems, we move forward together. She is my mother. Her name is Carmen Gironza. She is 70 years old. She is a housewife. She likes Alcia Costa music. My mom is loving, tender, and friendly. I love my mother. Really, I love. She is my sister. Her name is Gloria Amelia. She is 35 years old. She's a cook. She likes watch TV, cook, and travel. She's funny and kind. She is with her son, Luis Felipe. He is my older brother. His name is Rigoberto. He is 49 years old. My brother is owner of a cyber cafe and broadcaster. He likes going to the church. He is my nephew. His name is Luis Felipe. He is 17 years old. He is a first semester student of psychology at the UNAD. He likes play soccer and play video games. He is charitable, nice, and very sweet. This is all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.